For this problem, you've been asked for the derivative of h, and h is made up of a product. And so the derivative of the product will be the derivative of the first, well, the derivative of e to the x is still e to the x times g of x, plus the derivative of the second times the first function. And we want this derivative at -1. And so really the only tricky parts are what is the derivative of g of x and what is g of -1. In the graph, you can see that g of -1 is really 3. So that one we know. And we know that e to the -1 is really 1 over e, because of the negative power. Plus, we need the derivative of g right at -1. Well, it's going to be the slope of this line, and we could see the slope of the line will be from 3 down to -3. That's a rise of -6. And a run, -1 to 0 will be 1. So my derivative of g right at 1 is again the slope of this tangent line, which is -6, also times e to the -1, or 1 over e. 3 over e minus 6 over e should be -3 over e. Looks like the right answer is